Are you itching to know how to make money on TikTok in 2024? Well, you've come to the right place. This video will reveal secret and unique strategies to turn your TikTok account into a cash-generating machine. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of TikTok monetization. The first step is to build a strong follower base. It may sound like a no-brainer, but the truth is, the larger your audience, the more likely you are to make money. How do you build this following? Craft engaging content. Keep your videos short, sweet, and original. Don't forget to utilize trends and challenges, but always add your unique twist to them. Now, on to the second step. Monetize your live streams. Yes, you heard it right. Live streaming is an excellent way to earn money on TikTok. Your followers can gift you coins during your live streams, which you can exchange for real money. So, show off your personality, engage with your audience, and watch the coins roll in. The third step is to utilize the TikTok Creator Fund. If you meet the eligibility criteria, TikTok will pay you based on the views your videos get. But remember, consistency is key. Regularly post engaging content to increase your views and, in turn, your earnings. Step 4 involves collaborations. Partner with brands or other creators to expand your reach and monetize your content. Be it sponsored content or affiliate marketing, collaborations can be a lucrative way to make money on TikTok. The final step is to sell your own products or services. Who says you need a physical store to sell stuff? Use TikTok as your platform to promote and sell your products or services. Remember, authenticity sells. So be genuine and passionate about what you're selling. To sum it all up, making money on TikTok in 2024 involves building a strong follower base, monetizing your live streams, utilizing the TikTok Creator Fund, collaborating with brands or creators, and selling your own products or services. These strategies may not be a walk in the park, but with passion and perseverance, they can turn your TikTok account into a profitable venture. Remember, the secret to success on TikTok, or any platform for that matter, is authenticity and engagement. So be yourself, engage with your audience, and the money will follow. Happy TikToking!